we are going to install stm32 board in Arduino IDE. Actually, I'm doing this because many of you guys ask me like how you can use my video. If you search stm32 projects on YouTube, you will get my video like this one, and I have given you the codes in the description about the projects which I have described in the video. I have gave you the code and circuit diagram link here. When you like click the link, you will get the codes and the stuff, and you will like redirect to my website on which I have explained in detail about these projects. And at the end I have given you the codes, and when you open the codes from the Google Drive, these codes are of Arduino IDE, and you guys did not know like how you can compile and use these codes for your project. So I'm going to teach you like how you can make these kind of robot for yourself. Like if you just click firefighter robot, you can get the firefighter stm.ini file here. Basically this is the Arduino IDE code for that firefighter robot for stm32. So how you are going to use this code on stm32, I'm going to basically teach that. So basically now we will download this code, and first of all we will install Arduino IDE. Okay, you can simply enter Arduino IDE in Google. Actually my internet is little slow, so sorry for that. We have downloaded the code, and now I will like show you how you can compile this code. So first of all we need to install the Arduino IDE software. So we are like on Arduino IDE page. Here you can select for Windows. Okay, sorry, not that option. You can select from here download option Windows, as we are on Windows. If you have a Mac and Linux, you can install from here. And after this you can select just download. After this, the installation of the Arduino, downloading of the Arduino IDE has begun. Let me fast forward this, and after downloading we will install the Arduino IDE in our PC. Okay, so downloading of this software has been installed. Okay, now we will install this. Okay, simply click next because it will install in the local disk C, the Windows disk. And after the Arduino setup we will install stm32 board in it. So you can write on Google stm32 board for Arduino IDE. Okay, you can simply go to this link, the first instructables link, or you can like, it's better if we open this GitHub link. You can simply install these drivers which came while installing. Okay, so we will click this GitHub link, and this is the official Arduino core for stm32. And from here you can go to introduction, and here is getting started. They said add this link in additional board manager URL field. So we will copy this link. Okay, let me copy link address, and after this, when Arduino setup complete, you can open Arduino. And after this, like, we have to click file preferences and then additional board setup, and then we have to enter that link here and click OK, and then go to tools, then board, and then select board manager and let it download some basic files for board manager. Okay, after this search stm32. So stm32 MCU based boards came and install it. It took some time for installing this. Let me fast forward this. Basically this took a lot of time depending on your internet speed. My internet is like slow right now, so that's why it is taking time. So let's wait for the completion of this. Okay, so this board manager has been installed. So now we will select from board to stm32 board to stm32F103 series. So this is basically STM32F1 series, and from here we can select STM32 Blue Pill F103C6 series. And after this, now we will open that code. Okay, so now we will open that code. So let me open downloads and firefighter.ini. After this prompt came and it will open in Arduino IDE. So now this code has been opened. So now we will select board. Okay, sometime this happens. Let me check one time. Again, we will select firefighter pro. Yeah, and we will select board manager, and when we select STM32, sometimes this happened that the board has been disappeared, like that happened right now. So that link has been basically disappeared. So we will again copy this thing and paste it in additional URL and select OK. And now we will select board manager, and then like we will select again STM32. Okay, it is installed, and now we will from board select STM32F1 series, and from tools it is STM32F103C6 series. And now we will compile this. So after opening the code, we will click this tick button. It is basically compiling button. So this will compile this code. Actually, I have also given you the circuit diagram in my website link. Okay, the circuit diagram is also here. So if you click this circuit diagrams, then firefighter robot circuit diagram is like this. And I have like written here the left sensor is at PA5 pin. So if we zoom this circuit diagram, so the left sensor is at PA5. So one of these pin is PA5. Let me show you. If we open STM32F103C pin out, so we will like get this pin out, and we open this. If we open this pin out in, okay, as we have noticed in circuit diagram that this is somewhere PA5. Okay, this is PA5 pin, C A5, and we will like put the A5 pin here. So the sensor is attached here. We have defined all the pins in the code with respect to these pins, and as you see that this code has been compiled. And after this we will attach our controller with FTDI to the computer, and COM port has been came here. And after that this you can select the upload button for uploading code to the controller. So this is how you can like install the stm32 board manager in Arduino IDE and compile these codes for doing stm32 projects which I have described in this video. Like these are 6 projects, so all these 6 projects code and circuit diagram I have been given in this like Google Drive, and you can in this way install the stm32 board manager and compile these codes and made your robot yourself. So thank you very much.